Hello, welcome to Career Strategies. Today you have given 66th BPSC main examination and hopefully you did well. I am going to discuss a statistics part of General Studies paper 1. So let me discuss questions one by one and detailed analysis of each and every questions from statistics. That is starts from question number 12 to 15. So let us start first question 12 and how you should do it, what are the steps which you need to write during the solution of the questions, and everything that you expect from analysis of this question. So let me start the questions. Very first question, 12th question that is given here, the circle table given below shows the land allocation in the village allotted for various food crops. Study the circle table carefully and answer the question given below. Which combination of three crops allocated 50% of the total area of food crops? So to answer this question, we can observe that 50% of total crops is what? That is in circle, the total angle is 360 degree and 50% is half of that, that is 180 degree. So you can calculate 180 degree of this. 180 degree is a straight line. You can see there is a straight line. So but below the straight line there are 1 2 3 4 crops, and above the straight line there are 3 crops. They are asking about 3 crops. So clearly the rice, wheat and barley makes 50% allocation of the total area of land. So here we can write the answers like that. Since the fund allocation, the area allocation for wheat, we can write area allocation for 3 crops, area allocation for 3 crops, for 3 crops, that is wheat plus rice, is 72 degree and 36 degree, that is 180 degree, which is 50%, which is 180 upon 360 multiplied by 100, which equal to, that is 50% of the total area of allocation, total area. So answer is rice, wheat and barley. So for first question you can write answer A. A is the area, because total 360 degree you must be knowing, so you can write like this. If the total area under the jar was 1.5 million acres, then what was the area under the rice, jar and rice? You can use, to answer the second question, second part of the question, we can use ratio and proportion. Here jar and rice proportionate to, this is 1.5 million and rice is what? We can write 1.5 million acres, right now 1.5 million acres you may write, and for this 1.5 million acres, and this is for rice what? So using this fact you can write jar upon rice, jar upon rice is equal to, this proportionate means equal to 1.5 upon this, what can be considered as x. So now what is a rice, that you need to calculate. So jar is 18 degree, this employee jar is 18 and rice is 72 degree, that is equal to 1.5 upon x. This cancel 4 times and 4 multiplied by 1 by 5, there is 1 multiplied by x is x, 4 multiplied by 1.5 is equal to 6 million acres, right? So that will be answer, and hopefully you will get it. One way to do it like this. There is another way to do it. There is another method also, but you can answer in this way. Ratio and proportion is a well-known fact and established formula and concept of mathematics, so you can use it. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the another method as well. And the another method is first we will calculate according to the individual capacity of jar, that is 18 degree upon 360 multiplied by total area, that is area of jar. So another alternate method that I'm going to discuss, because many of you have did like this. So method 2 for the second part is area for jar is equal to 18 degree divided by 360 degree multiply by total area. This is what, that is the allocation way. So this is area of jar is 1.5 million acres is equal to 18 upon 360 multiply by total area, and therefore this is cancelled 20 times, right? Now 20 cancel this, so total area is equal to, therefore total area is equal to 20 multiplied by 1.5 acres is equal to 30 acres, 30 million acres, right? So this is million acres. Let me write this correct. Million acres is equal to 30 million acres, right? So 30 million acres is the total area which is in this question, from this question, as per this question, 30 million acres is the total area. We want to calculate for rice again. So area allotted for rice, and therefore we can write area allotted for rice, allocated for rice crop is equal to what? 72 degrees central angle for rice out of 360 multiply by total area. Total area we have calculated here 3 million acres, right? 3 million acres. So that cancels here this 5 times, and 5 cancel this 6 times. So answer is 6 million acres, right? So hopefully it did well, and like this also. So this is also another method in which we can do this, and hopefully you did like this or that. Both way you will get the same marks. Now C part, if the production of wheat is 6 times that of the barley, then what is the ratio between yield per acre of wheat and barley? This is the third question. Production of wheat is 6 times that of the barley, right now. So barley, let production of barley be x quintal, then production of wheat is 6 quintal, right now, 6 times. So for C, we can write here for C part, let production of barley is x quintal, then production of wheat is 6 times, that is 6x quintal, right? Okay, now the area production is 6x quintal. Now area is directly proportional to angle allocated, central angle allocated. So area of barley is area of wheat is equal to what? Area of barley is 72 degree, and that is area of wheat is, area of barley is 36 and area of wheat is 72. So you can say 36 degree and 72 degree. Clearly area of barley upon area of wheat is equal to 36 upon 72, that is 1 by 2. So area of wheat is equal to twice of area of barley. AVW is area of wheat and AB is area of white, where AB is area allocated for barley, and AW is area allocated for wheat. ठीक है. Now up question is here that production yield per acre. Yield per acre. So this is a million, given in million acres. So yield per acre is equal to what? Yield per acre for ratio of what? Barley and wheat. We have to first is barley, ratio per acre of wheat first and barley later. So ratio of yield per acre. Therefore, the required ratio of yield of wheat and barley per acre is given by what? So total production of wheat is 6x, area of wheat is 2, production of barley is x, and area of barley is AB, right? Now we can use 6x upon area of wheat is twice of area of barley is equal to x upon area of barley. So this cancel, this cancel, 2 cancel this 3 times. So required ratio will be 3:1. That will be answer of this question. So answer of this question is 3:1. Hopefully you got it. And you have to calculate the total production divided by area, that is area per acre. Of course this data is given in terms of million, but no need to write because that will be cancelled out, right? So it will be cancels out, million and million will cancels out, right now. So area we have written in terms of million, also area allocated for this in million acres. So no need to write, even if you write here millions acre, that is not a big issue, you can write it, okay. And then the next question is D part of the question is, if the yield per acre of rice was 50% more than that of the barley, then production of barley is what percent that of the rice? So yield of per acre of rice was 50% more than the barley, right now. So here is a question. So for D part, we can write, let production of barley per acre is x quintal, say. Then production of rice per acre is x 50% more, means 150 by 100 times, that is 3x by 2 quintal per acre, 3x by 2 quintal. Let me write here, 3x by 2 quintal per acre, 3x by 2 quintal per acre, right now. Okay, now it is given in the question that 3x by 2, and in question it is given that then the production of barley is what percent the production of wheat. Area, again we can write right here, let AB denote the area of area allocated for barley, area allocated for barley in million acres, and AR is the area allocated for rice in million acres, right? So ratio area of barley to the area of rice is equal to, barley is 36 degree central angle because it is directly proportional to the angle. So area allocated is directly proportional to angle. So see here, barley is 36 degree and rice is 72 degree. So we can write here 36 degree and 72 degree, 36 degree and 72 degree. So area of barley upon area of rice is equal to 36, that is 1/2. So area of barley is equal to area of rice is equal to twice of area of barley. Area of rice is equal to twice of area of barley. Okay. Now this is in million acres and this is per acres. So total production of rice is equal to what we have to calculate here. Try to understand once again. Then production of barley is what percent the production of rice. So total production of barley, therefore total production of barley is total production of barley is equal to rate of barley is x and area of barley is AB into this is million acre, already written in million, multiply by million acre and multiply by x. So AB into x quintal, right? This is already written in million, so no need to write again, multiply by 10 lakhs, right? So here production of and total production of rice is what? Is area of rice into production of rice is 3x by 2, that is 3 times of 3, and area of rice is what? 3x by 2 into area of rice is twice of area of barley. So 2 and 2 cancel and that is 3ABX quintal, right? Now we have to calculate that what is the here question, yield the production, then production of barley is what percent the production of rice. It means we have to compare production of barley as compared to rice, and therefore the percentage of production of barley as compared to rice is given by total production of barley is AB into X, total production of rice is 3AB into X, multiply by 100%, and that is 33.33%. That will be the answer. Okay. Now it is given that if the total area goes up by 5%, then area under wheat production goes up by 12%, then what will be the angle of wheat for new pie chart? So total area goes up 5%. So we can calculate the total area. The E part of the question is, let total area or E part, let total area is equal to x million acres, right? So after 5% increase, the new area will be x into 105 by 100. 5% increase means million acres. 1x by 20 million acres, right? So I hope you got it. Now the area allocated for wheat is, so therefore area allocated for wheat is 72 degree out of 360 multiplied by total area millions acres, that is x by 5. So x by 5 million acres is the total area allocated for wheat, x by 5 million acres, right? Now since it is goes by 12%, so new area allocated for wheat is what? That is x by 5 into how much? That will be 12% increase means 112 by 100, that is 28 upon 25. So this is 20x upon 125. This is the new area. Now central angle is central angle for width. So central angle for width under new condition, new condition will be what? So area of width is 20x by 125 upon total area is 21x upon 20 and multiply by 360 degree. So that is 28x upon 125 into 20 upon 21x multiply by 360 degree. So 7 3 jar 21 and 7 4 jar 28. So 4 by 3. 5 can cancel this. 5 4 jar 20 and 5 25 times this. So that will be 16. And now this can cancel by 5 times. And this cancel first 120 times and now 5 5. So that will be 384 by 5 76.8 degree. Right now. So that will be the answer of this question. So hopefully you got the answer of each and every questions here what each has been asked in examination, and you did well. You have no problem during the solution of questions. I hope so, and we will discuss the next question in next video because it will be too large. So next questions in next video, and till then, bye bye. Thank you.